Hello friends, welcome to Competition World. Today we are going to see about a new competition, Short Film Contest by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. A short film contest conducted in the My Government platform. So let us see about more information about the competition. Friends, here the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has launched a short film contest as part of the Republic Day celebrations 2021 along with the NDC to create a patriotic mood surrounding this year's Republic Day. So we all know the Republic Day, the Indian National Republic Day is celebrated annually on 26th January. In commencement of that Republic Day, a short film contest has been organized. So the theme of the entries will be patriotism. So simply the theme of the entry, short film, basically will be patriotism. The short film should reflect patriotism. So the prizes distributed such as first prize receive rupees 1 lakh, second prize 50,000 rupees and third prize followed by third prize 25,000 rupees. The submission of entries for short film contest will be until 20th January 2021. Before this deadline you have to submit your entries. Let us see like technical guidelines, evaluation criteria and terms and conditions. So friends, here are the terms and conditions of the short film contest by Ministry of Information and Broadcasting on Republic Day 2021. So by accepting these terms and conditions, so the participants hereby agree to be bound by the terms and conditions. The general guidelines is given as this contest is open only for Indian citizens. Only Indian citizens can participate. So they have given the tentatively the submission of entries is between 4th January to 20th January 2020. They have also given the timing 10 a.m. and 5 a.m. It's like from 4th January 2021 10 a.m. to till 20th January 2021 5 p.m. You can submit your entries. So you have to submit in the contest page. I will give the link through. Entries should be submitted only through My Government platform. Entries submitted through any other mode or will not be considered. So submit only through My Government platform. So entries are open for short film with a duration of maximum 3 minutes each. So only short film with a duration of 3 minutes. So you can do the short film in 22 official Indian languages, including Hindi and English is also official Indian languages. You know the 22 official Indian languages. You can also search in Google. The content of the short film should be suitable for universal viewing. The content must be universal. Also, the theme is a single word like patriotism. You can make a short film. You can write a script based on that. So entries without either of these components with personal details you should mention like photo, name, photo, ID, proof, phone number and email address. If you should submit your entry. While submitting your entry, make sure you upgrade your My Government profile. So the participant must be the same person who has conceptualized and it should not be plagiarized short film, or the short film must not contain any provocative thing. Only the short film is intended for viewing by all age groups. It should be intended for viewing by all age groups. So don't disobey these things like against cyber law or doing some provocative thing will be disqualified from the competition and will be subjected to court. By registering for participation in the contest, the participant warrants that they have complied with the terms and conditions. Their name is original. Their entry does not infringe any intellectual property rights. So and the current employer or leading institution, so they should not like it's another. So these organization reserves the power of these three conditions. Just tell us the power of these three organizations. Like they can choose the result of any participant winning or not winning the prize. They can reject any entry participant without assigning any reason. Also they can responsible if the participants are not able to upload their entries. They are not responsible if the participants are not able to upload their entries on My Government before the last date. So you should be your own part. You should be victim for your own mistakes. So multiple submissions of entries by the same participant will not be considered, and the first entry per participant received would be considered. So your first entry, which means you can submit only one entry, and your first entry only will be would be considered. The selected top 5 entries. The selected top entries will be awarded the cash prizes. I have told already 1 lakh for first prize, 50,000 second prize, and third prize for 25,000 rupees. The contestant shall be responsible for any all tax payables of the prize money received. So the description, the last date of submission of entries 20 January. The selected entries will be uploaded on My Government, for which the date will be informed separately. So the selected entries will be uploaded on My Government, for which the date they will inform the date in the My Government blog. I think so. Definitely they will inform. We will update in our channel. The results of the contest will be declared on My Government portal, like My Government blog. So let us see about the technical details. These technical details you should follow while you're making your short film, as well as you are designing and uploading it. Applicant will have to upload a copy of valid ID proof along with the entry on My Government portal while applying for the contest. Identity proof will be kept confidential. So identity proof will be kept confidential. No need to worry about an identity proof. Proof will be theft. My Government will keep every of your single identity proof confident. How to upload the film? So please upload your film on online streaming sites like YouTube or Vimeo, or paste the link in the comment box as your entry. You should upload in the online streaming sites such as YouTube or Vimeo. You can upload it in YouTube, and you have to share only the link, not like storyboards or scripts as Word or PDF documents, or pictures will not be accepted as entries. You should not do these things. You have to only submit your link. Make sure you have submitted your correct your short film link. So please ensure the films are shot in HD format and the ratio of 16:9, which is actually a basic ratio of YouTube video. In horizontal format, films should shot using vertical formats, like the one shot on mobile will not be accepted. So vertical formats and mobile phones, using mobile phones, you should not, like, if you use your mobile phone in a vertical format, it's not accepted. You can use your mobile phone horizontal format, which is actually acceptable. Evaluation criteria. So the panel of jury will access the qualified entries received for award.